Whipping and swerving, hitting them curves, cause I'm on my way to come get you. The way that you serve it, making me nervous, nobody give me this feeling. We don't do dates, but we can relate, cause we just be smoking and chilling.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's jump right into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and apply this to my eyelids. And I'm going to use this concealer as my eyeshadow base. And then I'm going to take a small blending brush and I'm just going to kind of lightly pat and blend out the concealer to give me a nice flat base for my eyeshadows. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take a little bit of setting powder and apply this to my eyelids. And then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 3502 palette and take this really cute burnt orange color and apply that with a nice blending brush on my eyelids. So I'm not blending anything out right now. I'm just literally packing on the color onto my eyelid to make the color really, really vibrant. So next I'm going to take this orange color and a clean blending brush and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. So I tried, like when I first put the eyeshadow on, I kind of started blending it out as soon as I put it on, and I didn't really like how it was coming out. So I kind of just patted it on like how I did the first color, and then after I was finished patting on and packing on the color, I kind of just started blending out the edges of the eyeshadow. So I just wanted to let you guys know really quickly that it is going to be kind of annoying that you have to keep like blending out your eyeshadow, but you want to really try to take the time to blend out the eyeshadow, because the more you blend it out and the more like the colors kind of like pull together and, you know, complement each other, the better it'll look. So now I'm just using like a clean blending brush I just had to the side, and I'm just using this to help me kind of like smoke out and buff out the edges of my eyeshadow just a little bit more. So now I'm going to take this nice brown, it's kind of like a milky brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to just use the other side of that blending brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going to apply that to the top of my eyelids where I put that first eyeshadow at. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to take this deeper brown shade and I'm going to use my tapered crease brush by Morphe, and I'm just going to take that brown shade and blend it from the outer corners of my eye into the crease of my eye. So like that little space that's in between like your brow bone. I'm trying to say this in a way that you guys will understand if you don't know. That little space that's in between the brow bone and like the eyeball. So just take that brown and kind of blend it in the outside of the corners that you see me doing now, right there on the outside, and then bring that brown to the inside of that little space that's in between. Now I'm going to take some concealer in my flathead brush and I'm going to cut my crease. And if you guys don't have the same brush that I do, don't worry about it. Use the one that you have, because this is actually a concealer pen. And I've been using this for literally years for my eyebrows, for any cut creases, anything like that I need like a really precise angle for, because this is so good that I decided not to ever go out and get anything different. But if you don't have the same one I do, don't worry about it. But as far as the cut crease, you want to kind of like open your eye wide as you can, so that you can kind of figure out where you want the concealer to go. And take tiny strokes and take your time to cut this crease because you really want this to be like as precise as possible. So now I'm going to go in with this really light tan color, and I'm going to apply this to the inside of my cut crease using a small eyeshadow brush. If you don't have the same color I do, then you can use any dupe that's of like a light beige, a light tan, or like a creamy kind of color. Okay, so now for this part, all we're doing is taking all of the colors that we used earlier and we're going to apply them to our outer corners in order. So we're going to take that first orange shade that we initially used in the beginning of the video and apply that first. And then I'm going to take that little brush that I used to apply the tan shadow, the light tan shadow, and I'm going to take like small strokes from left to right. And this is going to create that ombre effect that we really want. So after we get finished blending with that little brush, we're going to go back in with that orange, sit that on the eye, and then we're going to go in with the second lighter brown that we used, and we're going to apply that right behind the orange, and then we're going to go in with the deeper dark brown that we used on the outer corner and just reapply that. So now I'm going to take my NYX matte eyeliner and I'm going to outline my eyeliner. So I usually fill my eyeliner in, but I'm not going to do that this time. I'm just going to outline the outliner, and this is just going to give me direction and leeway to where I should be putting my glitter. So now I'm going to take my Fake Fix palette, and with these three glitters on the right side, I'm going to ombre my glitter eyeliner. So I applied, I think, like Too Faced glitter glue to the inside of that eyeliner, and then I applied that first glitter, which was like a bronze type of brown glitter at the top. I applied that to the inner corners, and then in the middle of the eyeliner I applied that glitter that was at the bottom, which was like a copper kind of brown, orangey a little bit color. And then I applied the third glitter, which was in the middle, which was like really orange, like a pumpkin, really fall pretty orange, and that gave me a really nice ombre effect for the glitter. So now you have glitter liner. So now that I'm finished with the glitter liner, I applied some lashes off camera, and then I went in with, just a little makeup wipe and just wiped off all of the fallout, all of the extra glitter and everything like that. And now we're going to get started on our face. The first thing I'm using is my hydrocortisone cream, and this keeps my face super moisturized, super smooth, and pimple free. I'm going to apply a little bit of my YSL primer. This is a really, really good primer. It makes my face feel super smooth before I apply my foundation. And I'm going to do my normal makeup routine. I'm going to take my Maybelline foundation in the colors 340 and 330. I actually mixed them this time because my skin is a little bit weird. I'm going to apply my concealer and, do my, usual beat face thing, you guys. So this is the finished look, you guys. I'm so sorry for the lighting issue. I had the perfect finished look video for the end of this video, but I accidentally deleted it and I was so upset, you guys. So I had to kind of make the best out of everything and use like little videos that I recorded in between time for the end of this video. So I hope it's not too bad, you guys. But anyway, if you guys like this look, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to leave your thoughts down below, because you already know I definitely want to hear from you guys. Thank you guys so much, and I love you so much. See you in the next video.